Ladies and gentlemen, this is the snowfall in Lahore. The city of Lahore has witnessed snowfall ever in years. Now this is the area of Gulberg 2, where I, Ahmed Azhar, is making a video of the snowfall in Lahore. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, this is truly amazing, spectacular. Never ever has been happened in Lahore that a snowfall of such a magnitude has taken place, ladies and gentlemen. Just look at the snow on the road. It just looks like Chicago or New York, ladies and gentlemen. And this is me, Ahmed Azhar, making the video. Oh my god, this is so amazing. This is so amazing. It's so amazing. And this is the Rakshta coming up on my way. And as you can see, people are making snowballs and throwing at each other. And this is a person. I don't know how he's driving his bicycle, but I'm sure he's having a lot of difficulty. Oh, this is so good, gentlemen. This is so good. And as you can see, the screen of my car is full with ice. Oh, look over here. This is so amazing. This is so amazing. This is so amazing, ladies and gentlemen. I have never in my life. Oh, all those who have never witnessed the snowfall in their life have now a chance to do so. And even the wipers of my car are not working at the moment. Oh my god, this is going to be tough. Oh, look over here. This is the area of Gulberg 2. This is the area of Lahore which hardly ever witnesses rainfall, and now we have a case whereby we are witnessing snowfall. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the time at the moment is around 6, and as you can see, there is so much snowfall here at the moment. This is truly amazing, ladies and gentlemen. This is truly amazing.